I'm Gabe, the O-Scope Wizard, and I want to invite you on a quest. Hold on, why exactly do I have a sword? Oh, quests always need swords? That makes sense. Okay. A quest to slay jokes. No, we're not gonna slay jokes. Run from cowpokes. Nope, definitely no cowpokes. And use lots and lots of oscilloscopes. Yes, there will be oscilloscopes. We are going to turn this into this. We're making a tiny audio amplifier, if that's not totally clear from the quest. And fill the heavens with beautiful music of angels. You know, we'll probably also just fill the driveway with pop music, but you know, whatever. The quest happens every Tuesday and Baby Friday. Quick clarification, Baby Friday is actually Thursday to most regular humans. At 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time at oscopewizard.com. See you there. Yeah, this is weird. I don't know if anybody's gonna laugh. Kind of feels like something my mom is going to call interesting. Code for not funny.